A solemn ceremony held in Galway today honoring veterans who've died by suicide. It was hosted by a local group, Alliance 180. They aim to support veterans and first responders through equine therapy. Today's ceremony, held on September 22nd, was meant to raise awareness of the service members and veterans who die by suicide each day. American flags were placed in the ground around the farm's flagpole, symbolizing both the lives lost and the hope that Alliance 180 hopes to provide. Group's executive director shared more about the impact she's seen this program has on local veterans.
The experience is very emotional. We have those that actually break down within the round pen after that experience, and it's like the light switch has come back on for them. They're able to function, go back to school, get married, rather than living in that really dark place for so long.
If you or someone you know is experiencing a mental health crisis, help is available by dialing 988. Veterans can receive specific help by dialing that number, then extension 1.